Ever pondered the magic behind a spicy Cajun jambalaya? The aroma, the taste, the spices, all mingling together to create a dish that's nothing short of a culinary symphony. Today, the secret will be revealed. Imagine a pot simmering with the aroma of onions, bell peppers, and celery wafting through the air. This is the start of a traditional Cajun jambalaya. Dice 2 onions, 1 green bell pepper, and 4 stalks of celery into fine pieces. Sauté them in a large pot with a dollop of butter until they're soft and golden. Now picture adding a burst of flavor to this mix. Toss in 6 cloves of minced garlic, 1 diced jalapeno pepper, and 2 pounds of andouille sausage, cut into 1/2-inch slices. Cook them together until the sausage is browned and the aroma of the garlic and jalapeno fills your kitchen. Next, imagine infusing this with the essence of chicken and a medley of spices. Add in 1 pound of boneless chicken thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces, 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and salt to taste. Stir it all together until the chicken is well cooked. Now think about the grains that will soak up all these flavors. Pour in 2 cups of long grain rice, stirring it into the pot until every grain is coated with the spicy, savory mixture. Now, it's time to let the flavors marry and the rice cook to perfection. Pour in 4 cups of chicken broth, stir, and let it simmer under a lid for about 20 minutes or until the rice is tender. Finally, imagine the last burst of flavor. Stir in 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp and cook until they turn pink. Sprinkle over a handful of chopped spring onions and your spicy Cajun jambalaya is ready. So to summarize, start with a sauté of onions, bell pepper, and celery. Add in garlic, jalapeno, and sausage, followed by chicken and a medley of spices. Stir in the rice, douse it all in chicken broth, and let it simmer. Finish with shrimp and spring onions. And voila! You've just imagined the process of creating a spicy Cajun jambalaya, a dish that's as rich in flavor as it is in history. Enjoy the process, savor the journey, and most importantly, relish the dish. Remember, the secret to a great jambalaya is in the balance of flavors and the love you pour into it. Happy cooking!